Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is yet another reading, and I am going to tell you about 2nd July to 10th of July. Let's see what are the messages, channel messages, and I'm using three different decks right now, yes, and I'm going to give you all the messages and things that I am predicting that might happen in this coming week, especially 2nd to 10th of July. So let's see what's the message. First message is I want to say seven number is on the seventh. Don't make any financial deal, especially on 7th of July. I feel the doors will not be open because this is come reversed. If you're applying for a loan, or if even if you're asking for a promotion, or if you want your boss to raise your money, please don't do it on 7th of July. Especially, that's what I get. Number five. You've been feeling really tied up for 5 months. It's like almost, something has chained you, your own thoughts, or probably you're not very happy in a relationship, or probably not very happy in a job. So you've been feeling very chained, and I think it's going to be better in this coming week. You're going to feel more free. You're going to feel that nothing is binding you in a situation, or it's not that you have to work. There is no obligation. I feel a lot of obligation for something, that you obliging someone, that you did have to work because somebody did something good for you, so you have to pay them back in a way. So I feel that's also going to settle now in the coming week, so you don't have to worry about it, and whatever was tying you up, whatever feeling was tying you up, or whatever was binding you will be over very soon. Remember that. Not going to walk away. If you were going to walk away from a loved one, or a situation, or a decision, or anything like that, you're not going to walk away. You're going to stay there. You're going to challenge the situation, and you're going to be stronger. You're going to come out stronger in this situation in the coming week. So I feel that somewhere you did make a decision that I am not going to be involved in this whole thing, and it's better for me to walk away. It could also be a fight where you couldn't stand the fight anymore, and it's like better to just walk away of this from the situation, than to be there and resolve it in some way. But I think you will not walk away from a situation, and even if it's a job, it's a job which doesn't pay you much and it's not really good, so I feel you're not going to walk away from the job. Believe in strategy. I feel you are going to get into something where you will not take care of strategy much, and you will just be very impulsive about it. I want you to weigh the pros and cons, to do your planning very well. I don't know, I get a house planning. Somebody's going to plan a house, how to build the house. I want you to plan it very perfectly, because I feel that you've planned something in your mind, and it is not there is no blueprint to it, and it's a fancy house, it's great, but you need to plan it well, with somebody who really knows the job. So don't just be impulsive, and I feel you shouldn't guide somebody who's a specialist on this, and your inputs are required. Especially, I don't know why I get that you're going to get a housemaid and you are giving too many inputs that are not required. So that's, if that's going to happen in the coming week, please refrain from doing that. Listen to the other person also, because the other person is a specialist, I guess, especially with a building or a plot, or something with pertaining to a house. Let me see what are the other messages. Not really happy in the coming week. Probably you separated from your family. Probably they're living somewhere else and you living somewhere else, and you haven't met them recently. I get in 4 months you are going to see your family. I know that you're away and you're feeling lonely and you really wish for happier times. I also feel somebody wishing for happier times, and that's going to start. The feeling is going to start creeping in pretty soon, especially in this coming week, that you wish you were with your family. They're far away from you. You're reliving the beautiful moments that you spent with your family in your head. Or I think you posted away from your family. Probably you're in the army or the navy or the air force. Some of these forces. Any of the forces, or any situation where you were forced to be away from the family. You didn't want to go, but that was mandatory for you to go. So I get a situation where you are away from your family, and you're really feeling lonely, or you really want to be with your family. or probably one of your family members had to go away, and it was a job, they couldn't give up or they couldn't say no to you, and you're really missing the person. Yes, a thinking woman. I feel especially this will happen on 11th July, but I feel this is going to happen before that also. You're going to think too much about a person. I feel missing here, or I also feel that you're going to analyze a person quite a lot. If you are an earth sign, you're going to analyze a fire sign quite a lot. That's what I get. But I feel you're going to think about the person a lot, in a way missing the person, or analyzing a lot of things about the person, that how does the person talk, how does the person feel, why does the person walk this way, why does the person talk this way. So a whole lot of thinking, and I feel you're going to put a lot of time thinking about the person, wondering about the person. Or you could have just met the person. I think you're going to do this next week, that you're going to think about the person, a lot of details, trying to remember, how does the what does the person say, or how's the how does the person sound. Maybe you've just met the person and you started really liking the person and really dreaming about the person. Like I said, something to do with the strategy, something to do with the house. No, I want to, I again want to say, especially if it's building, about building a house, please listen to the specialist, is what I want to say. Or maybe, you want a very fancy house, but you're cutting corners somewhere, and the money is not measuring up, something around that situation. So build what you can afford, and build a beautiful house in that. I want to say, don't cut corners in while building, get everything in place. Let's see what are the other messages. Victory is away. Victory is 10 days away. So I get on 10th of July, there's going to be a good news, and this news will surprise you. You didn't know it was coming, and I think it is 10th of July. I get with a water sign. Water sign is going to get a good news on 10th of July, is what I feel. Guys, this card is coming away. Please be careful, whatever house you're building. I don't know why. I want you to check the documents of the land, where you're building your house, or if you've just bought a property. I want you to check that, guys, because this is, I think, the third and the fourth time this just when I was shuffling, it came out. Let's see what are the other messages. Well, let's see what are the other messages. Value your self-worth. So in this coming week, please value yourself. This is coming reversed. You're not valuing yourself, being underconfident, not believing in your own self, not believing in your own abilities. Guys, I want you to shine in the coming week, in July. So please just value yourself and put more confidence in whatever you're doing, and I think you can do it. You have the ability to do it, guys, so just remember that. Sorry, I have to. There was the sound. Unnecessary worries this coming week. Please don't worry unnecessary. There is no use worrying like this, about anything that's unnecessary, or you know not required. Don't have to think about it. I don't know why you worrying about something that's not even there. Something is just, you plain dreaming about it, that there is a problem, but there is no problem. I want to say, I don't know why I want to say, but this is number 9. Either this is number 9, or on the 9th of July you're going to worry about something which is not even necessary. It's totally unnecessary, and you're going to hurt your head with just worrying. Sometimes there is not much in the situation, we are like, what is happening, and we make it a worry. Even if the situation is fine, nothing, and nothing major is happening into it, probably we get so bored, and out of, doing, out of just the sense of, let's have some action in life, we start worrying about the wrong things. Trying to find out your divine life purpose. I feel on 11th of July, so though I'm not taking till 11th, but I feel on the 11th of July, some of you, few of you will actually start thinking about what is my life's purpose. And I've been uploading videos on angel numbers, and I really think one of you will be dealing with repeating numbers like 1111. So one of you will think about this number. Some of you, or one of you, or a few of you is going to think very differently, not going by conventions, actually bending the rules is what I get. Trying to do something that no one has actually done before, or creating something new, being innovative. You will get an innovative idea. I think in the beginning, or the beginning of July. I think green color is also good for you, and you are going to just experiment with something new is what I get, and you're going to be impulsive. You're going to take the risk. I get on 8th of July. You're going to take the risk, or you're just going to be impulsive about something. Yes, again, repeating. The cards are coming back in again and again. Somebody needs to find their divine life purpose. It's going to trouble you. You're going to ask these questions: Who am I? Where am I? Why am I here? Why am I on earth? What is this life? I don't know why. Please, guys, don't get depressed and ask yourself these questions. But yes, otherwise, it's good to sometimes get in touch with reality. That we are here on earth for whatever number of years. You got to do what you have to with all the positivity, no negativity in life. Remember that. Some of you would feel like wanting to be away from people. I don't know why I get this, but in this the first week of July till the 10th, it's like not wanting to be with someone. I feel also not joining. I want to say not joining any of the groups, exiting from groups, breaking away from like-minded people. You want to be alone. This is something you want to spend some time alone with yourself, and I feel you want to stay away from your friends or your family is what I get, or probably there's been a problem and you want to give this little break. I also get with some family member you have a problem, and you just want to stay away and really don't want to talk about it to anyone. You don't want to heal the situation and it's troubling you, so you're going to stay away. You are going to stay away from your family members is what I get. I just picked up a card and I did not read it, and I put it back, and it did say, healthy communication with your family. So I think that is the problem when I just read the first card, the other card before this one. So you got to talk to your family members. Something is troubling you. Your relationship is not really good with a family member is what I get. Wanting support, probably you wanted support from your family, probably some kind of support you wanted from your family, and they said a plain no, and that's what's troubled you, and that's why you're keeping away from your family. Is almost like cutting off, or cutting away, or going away from your family, cutting off from your family, not wanting to even seek their support anytime, because the time you wanted their support, they weren't there for you. I don't know why I get that, but yes, your family wasn't there for you. For a few of you, one of you, that's the message I get. Let me see what Archangel Gabriel cards are saying for the coming week from 2nd July to the 10th of July. Divine guidance. Open your heart for divine guidance. I think you will be seeing repeated numbers. You will be seeing feathers. You will be feeling, that there are people around you who have passed away, but they want to say something to you. But you have to open up your heart to receive those messages. If you don't open up and you don't receive those hints, you will not know what messages or what they are trying to tell you. So remember to open up your heart. And also be more receptive is what I get. I get the message, be more receptive. Guys, I get a lot of green for July 2nd to July 10th. Use green a lot, and it's going to bring you prosperity. And it's, if there are any problems in a relationship, it's going to sort those things out. Anything to do with media, online, business, or TV related, or writing, where people will hear you, where people will read what you write, you're going to do well, and you're going to do a lot of you're going to interact a lot with people is what I get. Also, a communication channel will open. Probably you'll get a job where you have to write every day, probably a radio job, RJ job, or something to do where people will listen to you, or read what you write is what I get. Or probably you're going to write, you've written a book and you're going to release your book, or something you're going to make public, like probably some kind of short stories that you've written. There will be success. So 2nd July to 10th of July, lots of good news coming your way. And I feel a lot of good news in business and job. I get a lot of green. I get green, I say, is a color of money. And I also want you to work with the green candle if you can. And they will be coming in. They'll be coming. There'll be money coming in, resources that you thought the money will not be coming from those people. Probably you did lend your money to someone, and you were waiting for that money, and it hadn't come for a long time. I even feel a year, but the money is going to come in soon. Let me see what are the other messages. Divine guidance again, a lot of repeating messages. So please open up. Maybe that's the guidance that your loved ones or your guiding spirits are around you. You have to open up your heart and your mind and be more receptive. Remember that. If you say, no, I am not going to receive any guidances, I'm going to make my own decision, I don't believe in this, you will not pick up the hints universe is trying to give to you, or your guardian angels are trying to give to you. And I also get a very 1111 number again. So if you've been seeing a lot of repeating numbers, 1111 especially, just remember what your thoughts were at that time, or what were you thinking, or were you making any kind of decision, or what you were supposed to do that time. Do manage your time during this week, guys. I feel you're going to go all over the place, because there's going to be so much to do. You'll not be managing your time well. I want you to manage your time well. Prosperity is yours. It's coming your way, but I think it's going to just take about a week. I'm not going to take, I'm not going to say it's time. Like I said, it's going to take time. Like I said, there is prosperity. Okay, it's just not within a day. I get another 5 days, and I think there'll be a lot of good news. There'll be money coming into your account from somebody who did owe you money, or somebody will give you back your money. Prosperity. See, I told you. Now it's come up, right? So there is prosperity happening, guys. There is good news. There is money coming in. Don't worry about it. Yes, something fell. I'm going to give three more messages. I want to give three more messages from the Moonology card. Let me see what are the messages. Your dreams need a practical plan. So, guys, like I was saying, strategy, practical plan. A lot of green is coming for this week. There's a lot of green, guys. You're going to get money. This is awesome. I think this is a good beginning. I don't know how did 1st July go, but this is a good beginning, guys. In July, you're going to get a lot of money soon. Look at the bigger picture. So don't miss the bigger picture. Look at the bigger picture. Something big is going to come your way. And for don't get greedy for the small thing and missing the big picture. I don't even want to say greedy for the big thing, but you will. I want to say yes. The channel messages, don't be satisfied by something, probably a small amount of money or a designation. I think better things are coming your way. So don't get don't get greedy and pick up the smaller thing. And I think there are bigger things coming your way. So I'm repeating the message. That's the channel message again. Look at the bigger picture. Okay, don't settle with something that's not really up to the mark, or probably you deserve something more. And that is coming your way. I also want to say, yeah, so don't pick up the first thing that's coming your way. Maybe there's a project, but it's very small and you're not really happy about it. So if you're not really happy about it, please wait for a bigger project to come your way. New romantic cycle begins. Great, yay. It's going to happen soon. A very balanced relationship. So something new is coming your way. And so 2nd to 10th of July, you can think that a new person is going to enter your life, a new love relationship, or probably rekindling a new rekindling of a relationship. And I also feel somebody from the past might come back to you. That's also another channel message that I get. Yes, somebody from the past might come back to you. Time to breathe out. I've given, I think, one extra message. Just take time to breathe out, okay? So meditate, breathe out, do yoga, do your walk, eat healthy, live a healthy life. Those are the messages that I wanted to give. So I'm not I'm not giving any numbers today. I want to give two colors. I want to give red and I want to give pink. I already given green, so the two more colors that I want to add are red and I think yeah, pink. So those were the readings for 2nd July to 10th of July, guys. I'll be back again with another prediction. And do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do comment. I always read all the comments. And like I said, I'll be back with another reading very soon. So enjoy your July, enjoy the beginning of July, and let's see what the coming weeks hold for you, what messages or what predictions. Bye, guys. Take care. Bye.